Want a simple drink that boosts your immunity and energy? Let's discover the power of turmeric water. Turmeric water is made by mixing turmeric with warm water, a simple habit with powerful results. Curcumin, the key compound in turmeric, boosts your immune response and protects against infections. It helps stimulate bile flow, reduces bloating, and keeps your digestion smooth. Turmeric may improve focus and memory by supporting brain function. Regular use can lower bad cholesterol and support overall heart health. Its antioxidants protect your skin, giving you a natural glow and fighting aging. Turmeric water reduces inflammation and joint pain, perfect for active lifestyles. Here's how to make it. Mix turmeric with warm water, add black pepper for better absorption, and drink it in the morning. Avoid turmeric water if you have gallbladder issues or are on blood thinners. Always check with your doctor first. These 6 benefits make turmeric water a true golden elixir. Try it and feel the change. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.